determine capillary action. For that we need two small tissue papers, brown and black sketch pens and a tumbler of water. First we take black Now I made a brown dot. Now I'm going to put brown here. And black here. Reach the dot. Now the capper, look, the brown gives the color yellow, pink, purple, and black color gives purple, blue and brown. These are the colors that gives. Capillary action is happening because the water droplets get into the dots that makes the capillary action. The brown color gives yellow, green and pink color, while black gives purple, blue and green color. Tissue absorbs water molecules except for then the gravity force. Then when the water molecules touch these dots, it gives colors. Pew 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 pew.